Thank you for watching my video. I'm AYANA. Today, I will make potato salad. It's very popular in Japan as side dishes, and our Japanese-style potato salad is very healthy because it includes some vegetables, carrot, onion, and cucumber. I try to make it healthier. You need less mayonnaise and but it's very creamy, so I will show you how to make it potato salad easily, and I want you to try it. Japanese potato salad is very delicious, so let's get started. Okay, today's ingredients: first, cucumber and carrot and potato. I recommend the starchy potato for the potato salad. It's common to use starchy potato in Japan. Starchy potato is easy to crush, and its texture is delicious. Okay, and I use our onion and some sliced bacon. It's popular to use ham in Japan for the potato salad, but I like to use bacon, so I saute it after cutting. Okay, I introduce other ingredients. Left is rice vinegar and right is lemon juice. You can use white wine vinegar instead of rice vinegar. Okay, then to season, I use black pepper, salt, and mayonnaise, and milk. Milk is a very important ingredient today. It's milder if you have less mayonnaise. Okay, then I have salt and water for boiling potatoes. Okay, let's start. Okay, I finished cutting ingredients. Next, let's boil the potatoes. And it's very important, add the salt and boil it. The potato absorb the salt evenly, and the taste is good than after boiling. Okay, let's start. Okay, next, saute the onion and bacon. In Japan, the onion is we use onion as it is, not to saute, but I think it's more sweeter. It's sweeter than as it is, so I like to saute it and add the sweetness for the salad. By doing so, you don't need to put the sugar. And bacon is, I love it. So it has umami flavor, so the salad is very delicious. Okay, let's start. Okay, it's very point. So let's add the liquid before adding mayonnaise. I add the vinegar and lemon juice and milk. Before adding mayonnaise, it's you can avoid adding mayonnaise too much. You can make the creamy potato salad if you add these ingredients before mayonnaise. Okay, let's start.それではいただきます。It's delicious. I like this soft and potatoes texture. Sorry, I love the texture of potato. It's soft and yes, soft. And I use less mayonnaise, but it's mild because of milk. Vinegar and lemon juice add the a little sourness, so it's refreshing. I can eat a lot of this salad, and I love this bacon. I saute onions and bacon, so our bacon's umami is great. I love it. Before making this potato salad, my recipe, I add mayonnaise, a lot of mayonnaise, but so this recipe can less. You can use less mayonnaise, and it's delicious. So you can eat it at ease. Okay, it's so delicious. I love this salad. So if you like this recipe, please try it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. It makes me happy. Thank you. Bye.